everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm on a mission today. We're doing some upgrades to the wife's GT, and I've actually done quite a few upgrades. And I'm just going to kind of show all of them to you in this video. But we're doing a very large upgrade today, and I'm pretty freaking excited. 2 giant boxes from LMR showed up, and I'm headed over to Discount Tire to get these things put together. We'll get them on the car, commit some beauty shots. It's gonna be freaking awesome. But guys, side note, God, I'm gonna tell you, it's nice to be freaking home. I feel like the past 2 months we've done nothing but travel, which we've been freaking everywhere. But it was great getting out and seeing you guys. The turnouts of these events was amazing. All the videos here on the channel, from the LMR Cruise-In to Mustang Week to Foxtoberfest to Holly Ford Fest. We get around, logged all kinds of miles, and ready to get out to the shop. I've got a lot of work I need to get done on Project Two-Tone, doing some new edge stuff. We got all kinds of stuff. So in the meantime, let's get these tires over at Discount Tire, get them mounted up. Good God, something bad happened here. I mean bad. Ooh, yeah. Alright guys, and just like that, through the power of editing, we're up here at Discount Tire, and I can't remember his name, but one of the guys that works here actually worked at LMR, ironically. It's just gonna block freaking traffic. Alright, let's get in here and get these wheels unloaded. Alright boys, so real quick, I want to go over, and I'm gonna keep the wheels a secret till we get there, but trust me, you're gonna love them. But what I did, and part of the title of the video, is we're going big freaking meets. And when I say big meets, we're going 315s. Yes, I know some people have done 335s and 345s. We're not going that crazy, but you can see how freaking big these things are. They're gonna look ridiculous. And then of course the fronts are just a standard, like a 265 35. I was thinking about just going Nittos and just going with a whole set from LMR, but I really wanted to put the big meats on there. And the stance is gonna look amazing. If you've never had big meats on a freaking new edge, well, any Mustang really, but new edge especially, they're kind of thick in the ass end. These are gonna look ridiculous. All right boys, we are back at the house. I'm about to get these wheels on. I'm telling you, I can't really keep you guys in suspense any longer. I've been waiting a while to get the wheels on this car, so let me get them out of the truck, get rolling. All right boys, so we've got the wheels on, but you can't tell anything in here, and I've got it sitting up on a freaking 2x4. It doesn't look low, but God bless, try to put a jack underneath it. So let's get this bad boy out of the garage, out in some light. We can cue up those beauty shots. Dude, I'm freaking loving them already. Yeah, let's get this thing out. All right, so let's get a good look at how the new SVE wheels look. Oh my God, guys. Woo! All right, cue up the epic montage.
I want to play for so long. I need to tell you. I want to bang. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leave. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this shit. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves and still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol.
All right, guys, just to wrap up a little bit, did take it out for a little bit of a test drive. And I will say, since they are street tires, yeah, I know I got white dust on them. They're extremely soft tires, so they do pick up gravel. Just be aware of that. But they handle freaking phenomenal, and like just seeing the car from behind, you can see how freaking meaty this thing is. Yeah, I know the camera doesn't really do it justice. But last and final thing, wanted to show you guys. Did a little bit under the hood, just kind of, you know, slowly getting this car to where I want it. All right, guys, so only real thing I've done under the hood, did a new JLT intake. It had one of those cheap, like freaking, I don't even know, like Chinese eBay looking things, the chrome with the tight bend right there. It looked like crap. I hated it. So as far as cold air intakes for these guys, I mean, I don't expect any power really. But this is a really nice piece. It actually goes down into the fender, filter and mass air down there. So it's got a really nice clean look under the hood now. And I dig it. And it's also plastic, so it's not heat soaking like that chrome pot metal pipe, basically. So very happy with this. And I thought about doing an install video, but it's yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that one out for yourself. But overall, I do like the sound it makes now that when you get down on it, the way it pulls air in. So there you go, guys. Lots more coming for the new Edge. She's got a new stance. Sorry, she got a little dirty, but get her cleaned up and show her off. Couple little things I've got going. I've got to replace the fog lights to match the headlights. And if you didn't know, on the way back when we went to North Carolina to buy the car, the windshield cracked. So we'll replace the windshield and then fix the window tint. Last and final thing. Well, I say that's not the last and final thing. Next, taking the entire trunk lid off, sending it to a buddy of mine. Gonna shave the rear spoiler, shave both emblems. Want to clean this area up. Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm a wingless guy for the new Edge. I think it just makes the ass end of them look even better. So that will be coming, and I think Dover and I are also gonna sit and play with the stance on this car and get it down, because like I said earlier, it's got too much gap, way too much gap. I don't want to go stupid low because it does get driven, but it's definitely going to come down a little bit. All right, boys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I like doing the new Edge stuff, and I know you guys do too. I've actually been very surprised at how many new Edge guys are out there wanting to see mods and stuff like that. They're cool cars, and they make great drivers. They make great for coyote swab. They're good looking cars, and they're easier to find, and they're more affordable than the Fox bodies were as far as the GTs go. Mach 1s and Cobras are going up, but these are a great car. It's a great starter car, you know. It's something you can get your feet wet with modifying and have fun. They look great. Just a good platform. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.